Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make white and stable buttercream, keep watching. This buttercream is white, fluffy, stable and not too sweet. It is perfect for hot weather because it doesn't melt and is easily spreadable and pipeable. Firstly, we need 200 grams of icing or powdered sugar. Sieve it to get rid of lumps. So we need 100 grams of vegetable shortening, beat the vegetable shortening on high speed for about 2 minutes. Remember to scrape down the bowl at intervals. If you're new on this channel, welcome. If you love to know more about baking, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification. I post new videos every week. Add the icing sugar gradually, like a cup at a time. Then beat it on low speed to avoid the icing sugar from flying out. Keep adding the icing sugar and beating on low speed. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Scrape down the bowl. Add a tablespoon of milk and beat it on high speed. Add the remaining icing sugar and beat on low speed. Change the speed from low to high, then beat on high speed. Scrape down the bowl and beat again. The buttercream is ready. It is light, fluffy, and stable. If you liked the video and found it helpful, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.